Hi, welcome to PV Physics Max channel. Today our topic is types of quadrilaters and their properties. So before going to know this about topic, so we should know about the quadrilateral. What is quadrilateral? The quadrilateral is a bounded region or closed region bounded by four line segments. So for example, for A, B, C, D, this is the quadrilateral. So it consists of four line segments and four angles. So this is simply we can say this is a quadrilateral. Now coming to types of quadrilaterals. First one, trapezium. Trapezium is nothing but it is one of the quadrilateral, and it consists of a pair of parallel lines. One pair of parallel lines, that is called trapezium. Here A, B, C, D. AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC. So one pair opposite, and AB is opposite to DC also. Opposite to parallel side. One pair opposite parallel side, that is called trapezium. And sum of the adjacent angles of the same side of the parallel sides means these A plus D, angle A plus angle D is supplementary, and angle C plus angle B or angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. So this is the second property, means sum of adjacent angles of parallel line is supplementary. So that is the two properties of the trapezium. Next, second, parallelogram. So parallelogram is nothing but opposite sides are equal and parallel, means A, B, C, D. AB is parallel to DC and AB is equal to DC, and AD is parallel to CB or BC, and AD is equal to BC. This is the first property of the parallelogram. And next, coming to second, about diagonals. Here the diagonals like AC and BD. AD and AC and BD are bisect each other. Like, means for example, I am taking the intersection point O, that is diagonals bisect each other. Bisect means dividing equally. For example, AO is equal to OC and OD is equal to OB. That is the bisecting. Next, each diagonal divides two congruent triangles. Each diagonal divides two congruent triangles. So that is, for example, each diagonal divides quadrilateral or parallelogram to congruent triangles. This triangle ADC is congruent to triangle BCD, or another triangle we can take this one, for example. These two are congruent. And next, coming to angle sum property. Sum of any two adjacent angles is sum of any two adjacent angles is 180. Sum of two any two. For example, I am taking angle A plus angle B. Angle A plus angle B equal to 180. Angle B plus angle C equal to 180. Or angle C plus angle D equal to 180. Angle D plus angle A equal to 180. This is the angle sum property. And next, another point, fourth point, that is opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles, for example, angle D is equal to angle B, angle A is equal to angle C. These are the 5 properties of parallelogram. Next, third one, rectangle. We know this rectangle. Rectangle is one of the type of quadrilateral. This quadrilateral having 4 sides. It is A, B, C, D. Coming to sides, about sides, opposite sides are equal and parallel. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. For example, AB is equal to DC and AB is parallel to DC, and AD is equal to BC, AD is parallel to BC. Next, coming to second diagonals. Two diagonals. Here AC is one of the diagonal and BD is one of the diagonal. These two diagonals forms two rectangulars. For example, two rectangular triangles. So two rectangular triangles will form. Each diagonal forms two rectangle triangles. Two rectangle triangles, that is triangle ABC is rectangular triangle and it is congruent to triangle DC. These two triangles are congruent and rectangle triangles. Next, coming to third, all angles are equal, that is each angle, for example, A equal to B equal to C equal to D equal to 90 degrees. Each angle is 90 degrees. Next, coming to fourth point, diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisects each other. Diagonal bisect each other. And fifth point, diagonals are equal. Diagonals are equal. In parallelogram, before we observed that diagonals are not equal. In this case, diagonals are equal. Coming to next, square. square, all sides are equal, we know that all sides are equal. First one, sides about all sides are equal. And second, diagonals also equal, two diagonals are equal. And each diagonal bisect another one with 90 degrees. Diagonals bisect each other with 90 degrees, means angle between the two diagonals is 90. And opposite are all angles, otherwise all angles are equal, and that is each angle 90 degrees. All sides equal and parallel also. Equal and parallel. Next, fifth point. Two diagonals divides into four congruent isosceles triangles. Two diagonals divides into four congruent isosceles right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. So this is about today video, and next video we will discuss about remaining types of triangles. Those are rhombus, isosceles trapezium and kite. If you like this video, please do subscribe and share. Thank you. Welcome back. Now next one, rhombus. Here opposite sides are equal and parallel. Now what we discussed in the square? Same one. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. And second, coming to diagonals. Diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisects each other. Next, coming to about angles. Opposite angles are equal, means angle B is equal to angle D and angle A is equal to angle C. Opposite angles are equal. Next, diagonals are not equal. These are not equal but bisect each other. Not equal. That's it. Next, fourth one. So each diagonal divides into two congruent isosceles triangles. Divides into two congruent isosceles triangles.